all the way out. Hey guys, this is Dr. Matt Leahy at Advanced Health Chiropractic in South Loop, Chicago. I'm here with one of our great patients, Meta.
So I came here for about 3 or 4 weeks ago, and I had very bad pain stemming from my lower back, which I didn't know, but I got informed about because actually my butt and then my knee and my joint right here, it really hurt.
Warm up our postural muscles before we get her adjusted. We'll use the drop piece. So this part of the table is going to pop up like this, and then we just drive through that stuck joint all the way out. Okay, so that's our treatment video with Meta.